What is a domain name? According to websites.com, a domain name is the address where the internet users can access your website. Usually, a business or organization like ours uses the same domain name to end their email addresses as their website. For example, we are at www.lfcisd.net. My email is jgonzalez@lfcisd.net. So lfcisd.net is a domain name. According to Leila Quran from PBS NewsHour, using fake internet domain names to get personal information is a more popular hacking technique than we thought. So what is a fake domain? A fake domain is a website set up in order to impersonate a legitimate site to gain an unsuspecting victim's user credentials to the real site. There are even utilities on the internet that a person can use to create just a fake email, no domain site needed. So how is this used in the email address? If you look at this example, the username no-reply2@microsoftstore.com, and everything else looks good. But if you check to see if microsoftstore.com is a legitimate email domain, it is not. Along with the sender's name, they usually ask you to click on a link and maybe enter your personal account number or username and password. Take a look at this next example. Again, the username is tough to tell if it is legitimate, as every company has a way of creating those. The domain name is the problem. There is no euro.apple.com email domain. How can we tell if the domain is legitimate without having to go to a website listed? Go to this website, https://email.checker.net. Simply put in the email address in the blank area and click on check. This website will tell you if the email sender is good or not. On this next slide, take a few minutes to look at it and use the email checker website to tell if the username is legitimate. Pause this video if you have to. So how did it go? Once you put manager at hificity.com.ua, it comes out that it's a bad email address. It's simple, right? So again, what should you do if you suspect an email is not from a legitimate source? There is a tool on the internet at emailchecker.net. This will ensure that the domain for the sender is legitimate. If you still do not trust the email, then ignore and do not click on any links found on the body of the email. Lastly, if you are concerned the email might be real but do not trust, then call the company. They will be able to verify its authenticity. So in summary, fake domains are used in order to mimic a legitimate company in order to take a recipient's personal or professional account information. The best thing you can do is to use an email checker. You have completed viewing the first of 5 videos. Below this video is a link taking you to a small quiz to gauge your understanding of what was contained in the video. Take a few minutes and take it. Then click on the Lesson 2 tab at the top of the web page to watch the video on the next topic.